Hey there! Want to design a modern coffee shop logo like this one? Let's make it in Canva. Totally free and super easy. CANVOO! Alright, now let's start from scratch in Canva. We'll create this cozy coffee logo step by step. First, go to Elements and grab the golden ratio shape. We'll use it as a guide to build our logo layout. Now, scale it up a bit, just like this. Next, go to Elements and search for Circle. Adjust its size to match the golden ratio. Create 2 more circles with different sizes. Alright, now we can delete the golden ratio guide since we don't need it anymore. Place the largest circle right in the center. This will make our logo easier to align. Next, let's change the canvas background to light orange. This gives a warm and uplifting vibe, perfect for a cozy coffee brand. Now, change the largest circle's color to dark gray brown. This will be the main color of our logo. Move the second circle to the center and change its color to light orange. You can scale it up a little, just like this. For the last circle, center it again to keep everything nicely aligned. Great. Now, go back to Elements and pick a rounded rectangle shape. Place it on the right side, like this, to create the cup handle. Next, duplicate the largest circle and change its color to gray olive. This will serve as a subtle shadow behind the main logo. Do the same for the handle to keep the depth consistent. Now, add a heart icon to the design. This represents passion for coffee and comfort. Change its color to light orange to match our theme. Finally, let's add your text. Since this logo is all about warmth and coziness, let's name it Cozy Cup. I'm using the OleoScript font to give it a relaxed and friendly feel. Adjust the font color to match the main logo tone. Optionally, you can add a tagline, something like coffee and comfort. And that's it, your modern coffee shop logo made in Canva. Simple, warm, and totally free to create. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more logo design ideas.